Still at it, Saturday. I'm doing locals today, but the first job, what an absolute cracker. Solo, there's a missing trailer. They've given us they've managed to track it. It's been moved around a couple of times. It basically shouldn't be. So they said, when you go down, here's the postcode. It's in some industrial estate outside of Durham. Go in, try and find it, grab it, bring it back. So I'm like, oh yes, this could be interesting. So I'm heading down the A1, I'm going to jump on the 167 and I'll go from there. I will keep you informed. Yeah mate, I'm still on the A1. The officer just rang. The tracker had been removed and it was in the fitter's van. It's my first run into Paradise. I've got 50 pallets for them and I am load number 2. So I'll get on after whoever's on there next. Get rid of these pallets, get loaded up with the fruit and back to the yard. What a lovely day it is. 8,000 I think there is, 8,000 Luton fans coming up to Newcastle today. I'd just like to commiserate you now, but well done on the great support. Hope you behave yourself in our beloved city. I'm sure you will. Could be Metro Centre traffic, it could be footy traffic heading into Newcastle, although I'll probably say both, to be honest. There's a monkey angel, let's get the primer out. Team Valley. No traffic lights. That's a bit of a pig. Go. Stay. Go. And I'll come. Go, 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 gadget everything. Around we go. Actually that wasn't as bad as normal when they haven't got the lights going around this time of day. Just lucky I guess. Paradise, it's only my second time I've been here today.
though is very slow. We had to let 2 trucks on before us because they were delivering the fruit that's getting sorted and coming onto our trucks. It's going to be a long night, methinks. I've got tomorrow off, and then I'm back in on Monday, so just if I work tomorrow I would have to take 2 off because that'd be 6 off the bounce. So off tomorrow, Monday off, sorry, back in on Monday, and then see what we can get in for the rest of the week. It's a good way of working it. Get one off through the week and then that'll balance it up. Like there's one of our trucks is on the bay now. He's getting loaded, but they're having to make them up and load them. But I'm not fussed. I start at 10. I'm not going to finish about 10. Got a nice 12-hour shift on, time and a half, being a Saturday. And as you can see, it's really a no-brainer. I just wish I had a decent battery on my laptop. I know you can plug them into your computer, and you can plug the computer into the cigarette lighter with adapters and stuff, but because I've got loads of good footage to do from this week. Anyway, catch you soon.